Well, Rory, this is your JM grain cart, and of course, you don't ever find the exact year on these things, guys, so we just kind of went off what the serial number was. I put it as a 13. That might not be exactly right, but Rory, you bought this one new too, right?
Correct. That fender implement again. Bought pretty much everything there. Bought this brand new, let's see what I have. I had I believe it was a 620 J&M. And we need a little bit more room to fill trucks properly, so got this 750 ordered in. I really like it. It's got a wonderful grain cart. Does have a scale head with it. There's a spot where you can mount the scale head right here. But weather and different things, it's hard to read it back there. So I always had it in a cab, and we always kept a book and wrote everything down. All the corn always went through it. We did replace some, I believe I put sliding poly on the bottom. No, it must have been up here somewhere. But otherwise, it's a real nice cart. Pulls good. Auger's nice. No shaking or anything. Just a real nice clean cart.
Well, I know, Rory, the one thing you had on that, was it that 8245R, you had that extension mirror specifically for this grain cart, didn't you?
Yes, correct. That way, my wife would run the grain cart for us, and that way she could always see around in case I wasn't behind her with the combine telling her traffic was clear if we had to turn left off the road.
Mm-hmm. So again, guys, that mirror is going to be on there. So if you want to buy the mirror, you might as well buy the 8245R as well as the 750 AM. You kind of got a clean setup to go down the road, but another nice piece here, guys. Thanks, Rory.
Yep.